Okay, hello YouTube. Thanks for watching. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about these email templates that I've just created. I'm going to give you the share code to these emails, and you can use them. As you can see, they're very nice. They're well designed and they're animated. They got countdown scarcity timers and a lot of animated GIFs. So you'll get access to these in the form of a share code for LeadsLeap. Now I've got two links below. Now you need to make sure that you're in either my LiveGood team as a paid member to get these templates in my downline or my downline's downline, or you need to be in my personal LeadsLeap team as a pro member. Okay, so if you're directly under me in LeadsLeap as well as a pro member, then you can get these templates as well. So I'm just looking after my my LeadsLeap team as well, because they're very important to me. So as you can see, they're HTML. They're nice and colorful, and I've been using them, and they've been generating a lot of excitement or interest, I should say. So people are asking me, how do I encourage my pre-enrollees to take action? All right. Well, there are various ways you can use this. You're going to get these set of email templates in the form of a share code to your LeadsLeap account. However, you don't have to necessarily use them for LeadsLeap itself. You can actually copy them out, put them into your Gmail, and send them out to your pre-enrollees. All right, send them out once a week. Pick a template. They're designed to be kind of standalone, so you can use any of these templates. Just use them leading up towards the cutoff point, just to get them excited about the cutoff. Send them out at the beginning of the week, whenever you want to send them out. Just send them out on a daily basis if you want. Just send them out, and just do it again the next week, and then the next week. And the whole purpose of this is, your pre-enrollees need to take action one way or another. Either they need to unsubscribe, or they need to get on board with you as a paid member. That's the whole point of a pre-enrollee. You need to give them, you need to basically force them to make one decision, one or the other. Either they upgrade and become a member, or they get off your list because they're fed up and they don't want to hear any more of it. All right. So if they unsubscribe from as a pre-enrollee, then they've done you a favor. They've told you what they want to do. All right, they're off. All right, next, you move on to the next person. So you can send these. I've purposely created 7 emails. So every single week, on a daily basis, send these out to your pre-enrollees. Just be relentless. Just any pre-enrollees you get, send them out. You can send them out randomly. You can send them out in order. You can send them out once or twice a day if you want to, or you can send them out. I mean, don't spam people. You've got to be careful. You don't want to spam people, and that's not what I'm trying to teach you here. I'm trying to I want you to understand, guys, that you need to be responsible. But these templates are going to help you get people to take action one way or another. So get them on board. When you get the share code, you'll be able to import them. It'll ask you about 3 questions. It'll ask you your LiveGood tour URL. It'll ask you your LeadsLeap landing page, more info page, if you've got one of those set up, and it'll ask you for your name, and it'll also ask you for your Telegram chat so that people can reach out and talk to you, which is great, giving them that option. So make good use of these. So yeah, like I say, guys, if you're in my LiveGood downline, and you'll know how to communicate with me, so get in touch with me and ask for the share code. Alternatively, if you're in my own personal LeadsLeap frontline in LeadsLeap as a pro member, you get in touch with me and I'll give you the share code. I'm not going to give the share code below this video, okay? I've put in a lot of effort and put a lot of time in making these, so I want to make sure that people are really using these who are on my team. All right, thanks for watching, guys. And yeah, there was a few things I wanted to say here, such as, yeah, I mean, honestly, basically, guys, this is just to help the team to take action, get your pre-enrollees upgraded, and just to go on using these. And you can tweak them. You can make duplicate copies of these and edit them and add more or whatever. It's up to you. So hope you like them. I've also added this into my private Facebook group for my LiveGood team. So that's in there already. And I'm also going to be emailing out my personal frontline as well. I can't email out the downline because I don't have your email address. And don't ask me, just ask your sponsor. You need to reach out to your sponsor. Your sponsor's going to get these. Heck, you're welcome to get in touch with me if you know my messenger chat or whatever. So, anyone, if you're in my downline, just get in touch with me and I'll give you these. I'll just simply give you the share code. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. And, see you, let's get you to bronze. Let's get you to silver. Let's get you to gold. Let's really crush this business. It's really, really exciting. I'm so excited about it. As you can see, why I'm putting all this effort in to help the team, and I want to see results. So, we're gonna have a Zoom call on Monday. That's Monday, 4 p.m. New York time, Eastern time. So, I'll talk more about these on Monday in the Zoom call. So get in touch. All right. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.